Most WooCommerce stores are losing sales just because of one small mistake. They ask customer to enter coupon code manually. So let's fix that in this video. What if your customer get discount automatically at the checkout page without typing the coupon code? This sounds simple, but this simple change can improve your sales significantly. So no coupons, no confusion, just instant discount at the checkout page. So let's check how you can do that in WooCommerce. And by the way, if you found this type of content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. So let's get started. So this is my WordPress website. You can see there are several products here. And if I go to the WooCommerce dashboard, there is a simple coupon code system, but that is not that powerful and you get a very limited options. So if you go to WooCommerce, you have the coupon option, and here you can create simple coupon code and anyone can type manually at the checkout page and get the discount. But we want to automate the coupon code process, and based on rules, coupon code will be automatically applied to your website. Let's suppose the cart value reaches 500, a 5% discount coupon code will be automatically applied at the checkout. Or you want to provide free shipping on order above 500, then the free shipping will be automatically added at the checkout page. So there are various ways you can get discounts. You can apply coupon code based on various rules. So let's check how you can do that. So for this, we are going to use a plugin like this, Power Coupon for WooCommerce. So let's install this plugin and check what are the settings and how you can get coupons code that will be automatically applied at the checkout. So let's install the plugin Power Coupons for WooCommerce. So I will go to WordPress and go to plugins and I will click on add plugin. And let's simply search for that plugin, Power Coupons for WooCommerce. And by the way, this plugin is from Cart Flows. You can see all the features of this plugin. So you can set discount rules according to cart total, number of cart items, or based on products or products category, or you can apply discount automatically at checkout. And you have offer free shipping with extra setup. So you can schedule your coupons code based on time of the year. So you have all the options. You have the reward option, loyalty rewards. So whenever they purchase anything on your store, you can give credits so they can use it on the next order. So there are various ways you can use this plugin. So let's activate this plugin, and this is a free plugin, and you can also upgrade to premium version to get more options. So let's click on pricing. So it will cost you around $59 per year, where you can get different options like BOGO deals, loyalty rewards, card progress bar, gift cards. So you can see all the features in the premium version. So let's check what are the features that you will get in the free version. So this is the Power Coupons for WooCommerce. So let's go to settings. Now you can see you have the general options, whether you want to disable or enable Power Coupon functionality globally, and whether you want to display the coupons code on the cart page, checkout page, or whether you want to enable it for guests or only enable it for logged in users. You can see all these options here. Now let's click on coupon styling, and you can see this is how the coupons code will show in the front end. So you can select any of the styling from here. Next, you can customize your text like available coupons and all these settings, and you have the loyalty rewards point as well. So let's click on add coupons, and here you can generate coupons code for your store. So let me offer 15% discount on my product. So I will type flat 15, and here you can give fixed cart discount or you can give percentage discount. So I will give 15% discount, and here you can also enable free shipping options as well. Now let's click on auto apply coupon code. If the conditions are met, then this coupon code will be automatically applied at the checkout. Now you can set the usage restrictions. So you can set the minimum spend. So let me set the minimum spend to $40. Next, you can select individual use only. So you cannot use two coupons code simultaneously if you enable this option. And you can also exclude sale items. So if you are adding sale discount, then you can exclude those products from this coupon code. So let me keep that for now. Now you can select the products or product category. So let me select the gift category here. Next, you can set the usage limit. So you can provide unlimited usage or you can get limited. So suppose you want to give discount to first 200 customer, then you can set 200 here. After 200 use, this coupon code will be automatically expired on your store. Next, you can give discount per user basis. So if a user used this coupon code once, then they can use further. So you can limit for user basis as well. Next, you can enable conditional rules for your coupons code. So let me click on add condition. And here you can see if the cart total is greater than $40, then this coupon code will show in the cart page. Then you can add more options like number of cart items. So if they have added 2 quantity in the cart, then you can give discount. And here you can set products or product category. So let me remove this for now and let's publish this coupon code. Now let's check how this coupon code work in the front end. So let me go to the shop page and let me go to the gift category that we have selected for coupons code. Now let me select a product below $40. So let me click on add this product to cart. Let's click on view cart. And as you can see, there is no coupons code applied. Now let me add one more product in the cart. So let me select this product. Now let's click on view cart. And as you can see, coupon code applied automatically and flat 15 coupon code is applied on this order. And here you can see view available coupons code. So we have enabled auto applied coupons code in the condition. So let's go to coupons here. Let's go to general and you can uncheck this option. So the coupon code will not be auto applied but display on the cart page. So let me refresh this page. And as you can see, the coupon code is not applied automatically even if I have more than $40 items in my cart. So I can click on view available coupons and apply this coupon code. So it will display all the applicable coupons code on the cart page so that user can just click on that coupon code and apply it. So this is very convenient way. So user don't have to remember the coupons code and coupons code will show on your cart page based on rules that you have set in the backend. So you can see a lot of rules like you can give percentage discount, fixed cart discount or fixed product discount. And here you can enable free shipping options and you can set a coupon expiry date here. You can enable auto apply options. You have the usage restrictions. So you can set the minimum cart value and you can set the product category or products. You can select the products individually and you have the usage limit. So you can give this access. So user can use it once or twice. So you have all the flexibility using this plugin. And if you want to use more options, then you can consider the premium version of this plugin. So it will include all the other options like you can run a loyalty program here. So anyone purchase a product from your store, you can give a credits and they can use that credits in the next order. So you have a lot of advanced option in the pro version. So I will include the link to get the pro version. So just use it and let me know what is your experience with this plugin. And if you want to see more WooCommerce related tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.